Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious chana pulav. It's one of my most favorite recipes to make and to eat. I know you're hungry. This video is for you. Today we are going to make chana pulav. It's very rich in fiber and protein, so it's a good thing to eat. The first thing we need for our ingredients is half cup of chana. We have put the chana in water and soaked it overnight for at least 6 to 7 hours. And then we've drained the water so we get something like this. And then we have some mixed vegetables. We have potatoes, carrots, and beans. This is completely optional. And we have one onion chopped, one small onion chopped, one small tomato chopped, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, few green chilies, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, a few ground cinnamon, and 1 elachi. And we need some cooking oil, ghee, and we need 1.5 cup of rice in water. Those are the ingredients for this chana pulav. Make sure you rinse the basmati rice and keep it soaked in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you're ready for this chana pulav preparation. The first thing is, in a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. And then you add these ingredients: the cloves and the elachi, the bay leaf, the cinnamon, the green chilies, then you add the onion and you mix until golden brown. Now our onions are golden brown. Now we're going to add our ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell goes. Then you add the tomatoes and you sauce till mushy. Now you can see that our tomatoes have cooked. At this point, you're going to add our chana. You can add pre-cooked chana or soaked chana. Now to our tomato mixture, we have added soaked chana. You can add pre-cooked chana as well. Now we're going to add our vegetables and then we add a pinch of turmeric and the required amount of salt. And mix. Now you can see that our vegetable mixture is ready. We're going to add a half teaspoon of biryani masala and a little bit of garam masala, and you saute until the chana and the vegetables are coated with the masala. Now we are going to add the rice to this mixture. And then we are going to mix. Now we're going to add water to this mixture. The ratio is, if you have 1 cup of rice, you're going to add 1.5 cup of water. We are using 1.5 cups of rice, so we are using 3 cups of water. And you mix well. Now you can see that our water is starting to boil. At this point, you add then you cover the lid and you wait for it to boil. And then you cover the lid and on medium flame, wait for 2 whistles.
Now you can see our yummy pulav is ready. Mix it gently and serve with your favorite raita. See, my high-protein chana pulav is ready. I am going to serve with some carrot raita and some chopped cucumber. You can have with plain curd too.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that was this chana pulao. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like it, please like and share with other people so they can enjoy the same tastes you've had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you always get notified when I make new video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Peace.